Folks, as you can see, we got ourselves an Alpha Investment 6.9 year anniversary set. Hopefully, the floppy taco lover did not screw me over as bad as Wizards did with some of those breaks that we saw during the Vegas convention for Magic 30th. Holy hell, what a dumpster freaking fire. Well, with all of that said, let's open it up. All right. See what we got here. Stay the course. This is like super high quality. Hey, Wizards, take note. Yeah. For less than $1,000, you get all of this. Of course, we've got the pins. I guess I should go ahead and see if I've got any of the 69 pins, so forgive me here. Well, that's not 69. I believe that's the Greed Monster. All right. I will comment, these are really nice pins. There, not the 69, but still, floppy tacos. Let's go for this big guy here. Nope. Still very, very cool. But yeah, what did you guys think about some of those Magic 30th breaks? I mean, that was just rough to watch. Oh, not a 69 in the dumpster fire. That's Magic 30th right there. But you know what? It's probably still going to sell out. The Timmies are going to go for it. All right, let's see if the visor, the famous visor. Nah. Something tells me that Mr. Rudy saved all of those 69s for some of his patrons with some higher pitched voices, giggity. But as you can see, no 69 for me, and I am not too displeased with that. All right, let's put these beautiful pins to the side. Our giant dice. Yes, sir. I don't know. I might be able to do something funny with, I don't know, the other half with these. I don't know. I'll figure something out, make up my new game. All right, let's put those guys to the side. I think we know what this guy is here. We got ourselves the beautiful metal. Awesome. Put that off to the side. What do we have here? Uh-oh, double masters. As much as I like this, I hope this means I get something good in the third tier. So we're off to the second tier here. All right, let's put that to the side for a second. We'll do some ripping at the end. And then we've got Flesh and Blood. I'm not too familiar with this. Guessing a blank card and something else. Oh, it's not blank. So one blank card and then this guy. So I'll have to look into this. I have no clue. Looks cool though. All right. Put double masters off to the side and go to the last and final tier. So what do we have here? We've got a secret lair. So we'll open that again in a second. We've got ourselves a Greninja, one of my favorite Pokemon. It's one of my avatars, which is nice. And what do we have here? And of course, we've got one of these. I've actually got a few of these. Really wish this was a Rudy Claus, but it is what it is. All right. So let's go ahead and open up Secret Lair here. I've never actually opened one of these before. Oh, that's it. So I have no idea what's even in these, so I'm just gonna again do it for the culture here, do it for the people. All right, we've got ourselves Legendary Planeswalker, Humanoid Wizard, Berserk, other Humanoid Dude, and another Planeswalker. I have to look into these. I have no clue, but they are pretty cool. And of course, we've got double masters here, a draft booster. These are always a little bit challenging. I don't know how Rudy rips these things open so freaking efficiently. I'm going to bumble around here, but let's see if we get anything worth talking about in here. Wasn't resealed. Thank you. So we've got, I'll just go through this. You guys can read it. I like Double Masters. It's an interesting set. But I don't know. This whole Magic 30th thing is not really the best. So, well, here, let's go back to the rare right here. Guess these are my rares, my two rares. I have to look into these. I don't think I got anything too great, but regardless, this was a fun opening. Something tells me I will do better than most on that Magic 30th proxy set that they're putting out here. I think I pulled more value out of this than some of the others that broke last night during the Vegas convention. But again, stay the course, Rudy. It's been an awesome 6.9 years. Looking forward to the next 6.9 years. Keep up the good work, and peace. Enjoy. Have a good day.